The first question is, who played the role of Mogambo in the classic film Akshay?
Mr. Amresh Puri.
Come on, right answer. Hi guys, welcome to the finale episode of Trivia Nights by the Final Cut Bros. So please subscribe and ring the bell icon so you get notified for all the updates. Bing! So for tonight we have something special, 2v2 team challenge and with new games. I will explain the rules as we go. And also for today, the losing team will have a forfeit to do.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Come on, forfeit by forfeit करना पड़ेगा.
Police state.
अगर if you lose by the third round, you will have to
4 फीट क्या करना पड़ेगा?
forfeit. ठीक है, I got your joke. ठीक है, nice one. ठीक है. So let's go for the first category. Trust your bros.
Oh, sorry.
जल्दी का.
कितना loud आ रहा है पता है क्या?
दिख रहा है उस पे.
Are you dumb?
And also for tonight, the losing team will perform a forfeit for the viewing pleasure of everyone else. And tonight playing with us tonight. क्या? Tonight. So tonight on the podiums we have non-Amir Khan PK Pranam Kadam. Come on. Angry young man Neeraj Raut.
Oh, great. Agree.
Bhisma Pitama of Final Cut Bros. Shakunendra Singhal. And Akshay, the grey negative Kimoti.
Let's go.
And I'm your host, the Prince of Odisha, as they told me to say, Siddharth Panigrahi. And let's start with the first category, which is Trust Your Bros. In Trust Your Bros, your team will decide who will go first. Then, after the player is decided, I will give out a category, and the one who is not playing for that round will shout out a number as a bid for how many characters his friend, his bro, can write on a piece of whiteboard. So, the team playing with us tonight are Team Bombil, Neeraj and Pranav. And Team not Dahi Valle, sorry, confused again. Team Tamanche, consisting the North Indian boys, Shaq and Akshay. So, let's start with the first question of Trust Your Bros, which is Villains Gallery. How many names of villains can you name? So, the first player for the Team Bombil is Neeraj and Shaq for the Team Tamancha. Come on. So, let's start with the bidding, which will be done by their partners. So, Akshay, how much do you think you will bid?
I'll bid 6.
6. Okay. How much do you trust Neeraj?
I'll bid 4.
You have to bid more than 6.
करो क्या हो गया?
6.
बॉलीवुड दोनों पे.
6.
अरे क्या किसको लेके आगे?
Bid लगाना.
डर रहे.
7. Okay. How much do you trust Shaq, Akshay?
6.
You have to say more than 7, please.
7.5.
No half.
Moga.
ठीक है, don't give any hints, please.
Okay, 8.
Pranav, how much do you trust Neeraj?
I have trusted him enough. 7.
7?
Yeah.
You don't want to do more?
No.
Then, because the bid is pretty low, I'll give only 30 seconds.
अरे ये.
Okay, I don't know. The bids were pretty low. The bids were pretty low.
ये तू कैसे डिसाइड करेगा? बिड्स और बिड लो.
अक्षय ने कितना बीट किया था? 8,
हाँ?
7.
8 ना?
8 नहीं बोला भाई.
Okay, 8.
8 नहीं बोला भाई.
7, 6. हाँ.
6, 7.
6, 7. So only 30 seconds. Okay?
अरे नहीं.
Then you have to bid more then.
Please, this is the.
ऐसा थोड़ी
6
ना.
is too easy one. 6 तुम लोग क्या 6 तो नाम बहुत easy.
Prince, listen. पहला question.
Prince,
पहला question.
you are very close to deducting 1 point, Akshay.
अरे ये क्या है?
ये क्या है?
फ्री है ये.
नहीं. So
प्रैक्टिकली लिख नहीं पाएगा मैं 8
Okay.
30 सेकंड्स में.
Okay.
अगर मेरे को मालूम भी है तो.
हाँ, I agree with my competitor.
Me too.
Okay, I'll give you guys 1 minute.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so your highest bid is,
My highest bid is 8.
and your highest bid is,
7.
okay, and your minute starts now.
Come on, Shaq.
What was याद नहीं
Come on.
मूवीज की सिर्फ कॉमिक्स के भी डाल सकते हो.
नहीं, only movies. Hollywood and Bollywood only, please. Five seconds.
Done.
4,
Done.
3, 2, 1. Done. The time is up. Okay. So let's see our answers. How many,
7.
Neeraj? Let's read out.
Joker, Bane, Thanos, Doctor Octopus, Harry Osborn, Ultron, the Goblin.
I see.
Okay.
I see.
Okay.
Sorry, MCU.
Yeah.
ठीक है. All right. Pretty good list. Shaq, have you been able to complete your 8 names? Come on. Please read
I
out.
would like to hear the name.
Please read them out.
Thanos,
Okay.
Red Skull, Mogambo, Gabbar, Joker, Bane, Riddler, Shaka.
Shaka.
Come on. Nice shout out.
ज़्यादा bid.
So guys,
Shit.
Team Tamancha taking the first point of the game. Come on. So,
ले लो.
please wipe your slates clean. We'll go for the next category. So, the next player playing for Team Bombil is Pranav Kadam, and
Yeah.
the next player playing for Team Tamancha is Akshay Gray Kimoti.
Question बता question.
ग्रे को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
ग्रे को ग्रे बोलते हैं.
कैसे था? कुछ तो रहेगा.
घारा.
Cement color. So the next category is Pixar and Disney movies. Come on, guys. Pixar and Disney movies. I know it's the favorite category of Neeraj, but Neeraj, do you trust Pranav to name a lot of? Neeraj, how many do you think Pranav can name?
I'll say 4.
4. Okay, pretty low bid.
Good number.
So some balls, please.
I will.
Okay. So Shaq, how much do you want to bid?
5.
Neeraj, how much do you trust?
बोल.
You need a point now.
I'll stick with 4.
What?
Yes.
You're giving easy points to the other team, I think.
Are you
Disney
underestimating
Pixar
my
movies. I think you can. I think you should.
You
Yes.
just need to move on.
Alright. If you are okay with it, we will. Then I'm pretty sure the other team might win.
Doesn't matter.
Are you okay with that, Neeraj, or you want to bid more?
क्या है 6 है ना तुम लोग का?
Yes.
नहीं 5.
5. Yes, 5.
I'll go with 4.
What? So you want to stay with the bid?
That's right.
Yes.
और कभी 30 सेकंड देने का मन कर रहा है फिर से. 4 ही नाम लिखने उसको. ठीक है. Anyways, you guys ready?
Yes.
अरे एक second.
The category is Pixar and Disney movies, and your time for 60 seconds starts now. Come on. Great childhood movies. We enjoyed a lot. We were growing up in the peak time of Disney Pixar movies. I expect a lot of names, but fucking everybody.
एक भी क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
Neeraj push it out.
We're done. We're done.
15 seconds.
Nope. Not happening. Nope.
Mental games have been played.
Hey, timer.
7 seconds. 6.
5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
Yes. नहीं रिजल्ट नहीं आया था बट ठीक है.
Yes.
I hope ये last वाला Disney या Pixar movie मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं है.
Hopefully it should be. The first bidder was Neeraj. Let's see how many.
4.
4. How many of the
As we
4
promised.
huge number they have written?
As we promised.
Okay.
As delivered. As
Okay.
promised.
So please read out, Pranav, what are the names?
Wall-E.
Okay, Pixar movie.
Finding Nemo.
Pixar movie.
Finding Dory.
Nice one.
And Cinderella.
All right. Classic. Let's see if Akshay has written all. How many?
So I've written 6 movies actually.
Nice. I will give you an
एक भी गलत
extra.
रहेगा तो 0 ना.
No. I will give them a grace point because you pussied out.
Okay. So my first movie is Wall-E.
Nice. Same.
Second is Inside Out. Third is Toy Story. Fourth is Up.
Down.
Fifth is Nemo. And sixth is Minions.
It is not.
Illumination.
It is not a Disney
इसका एक और
movie.
movie-
But I will.
इसका एक और मूवी गलत है.
क्या?
नीमो बोला है इसने.
अरे भाई Finding
नहीं चलेगा.
Nemo
मूवी
है।
का नाम थोड़ी है वो.
Well, I will give them.
अरे
हाँ तो फिर
वो
दो
movie का नाम
हो
होना
जाता है.
चाहिए ना.
Technically
It's
दो नाम
नीमो
कम
तो
हो जाता है.
कैरेक्टर.
No, that's fine. Finding Nemo.
कम हो गए.
Yeah, it's all right. It's all right.
I mean audience.
Anyway,
decide.
Neeraj, you pussied out. So.
अरे what the fuck. गेम क्या काम करता है?
नहीं.
एक नाम गलत है.
Show some balls, please. Okay. So.
ठीक है. एक नाम गलत है, एक नाम अधूरा है.
So please bid more and try to win next
नहीं.
time.
We have bid the marginal amount and we have delivered
I protest.
as promised.
I protest, Your Honor.
I decline.
Big-
I am your honor.
I want to protest against this
Protest,
by
I will
saying
protest
we
again.
promised 4 movie names.
I
4
stick
complete
with
movie
the
names
truth.
by.
But you should have won.
I'm the
You should have won the bid.
नहीं.
No, that is
We
the
are on
point of the
strike.
game.
मैंने Finding Nemo ही लिखा था.
नहीं,
मैंने बोला
Nemo
Nemo
बोला.
बस।
ठीक है.
कहाँ लिखा है?
ठीक है.
मैंने लिखा दिया अभी।
Anyway, I'm giving
It's
them point.
recorded.
I am giving them point because they showed some big balls and
ये
they
भाई मैच फिक्सिंग
bidded more.
If it is
and
about showing big
they
balls.
wrote their bidding names right.
मैच
So
फिक्सिंग है.
So, the last 2 categories has been won by Team Tamancha. So they are having 2 points. And sorry for
ताली मत बजा.
Mumbaikar.
Competition है, मार.
Sorry for Mumbaikar Bombil team
It's okay, bro.
for
हम चढ़ाएंगे चौक.
their lack of Neeraj's balls and lack of bidding. I will expect them to bid more and aggressively. And
It's
aggressive.
just
Trust me.
Politics कुछ बोल नहीं
ठीक
सकता
है
इसलिए.
ठीक है
वरना मैं बहुत कुछ बोलता था अभी.
ठीक है So the next category will be played by Neeraj and Shaq and will be bid by Pranav and Akshay. So the next category is sports heroes. So the category will contain movies with sports themes. Okay? No colluding, please.
किसका नाम
colluders. हाँ?
किसका नाम लिखना है?
Sports films.
Films का नाम.
Sports films.
Yes. Sports.
कोई भी ना.
Sports related.
कोई भी ना.
Yes. It has to
Hollywood,
have some
Bollywood.
significant amount of portion of the movie dedicated towards any kind of sports. Bollywood, Hollywood are acceptable. Okay? Akshay, how much do you think Shaq can confidently write in 1 minute?
I'll go with a safe bet. For starters, I'll say 5.
5 is a nice
6.
number. Akshay?
Can I match him?
No, you have to bid
Okay.
more obviously.
No, I'll stick to 5.
Okay.
Yes.
So you want to give them a chance to win.
No, I know they can't write 6 names
6 names of sports movies.
in 60 seconds.
Hey, why are you writing already?
हाँ,
I'm
वो
ready.
no, अरे,
I'm
Okay,
ready.
All right. I see they haven't
ready to
written
write.
anything. So they haven't written anything. So I won't. do
टाइमर
anything.
स्टार्ट होते ही घुस जाऊंगा मैं.
Yes, that's the spirit. So let's start. The category is sports heroes. You have to write all the film names with sports in it. So your timer for 1 minute starts now. Obviously.
We are done.
All right. So let's see our timer. 10 seconds. 9,
By point आ गया.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and
क्या बोला था?
हाँ?
क्या बोल रहा
Shaq, you have to stop.
क्या बोल रहा था? हाँ?
All right then. Alrighty then. How many have you written, Akshay?
No, Shaq is
Shaq, how many have you written?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, which is
Bidded.
bidded. Okay, that was the
All
number
6.
bidded. Okay, so Shaq, can you read your names?
Shaolin Soccer.
Okay.
Lagan,
Great.
Tendulkar.
Nice.
Dhoni. And
All right.
Hustle and Flow.
Hustle and flow. I have to check that.
Hey, trust me है.
ठीक है. I am trusting my bros.
अरे ऐसे तो चलेगा चेक कर.
Hustle and Flow is not a sports related movie.
Okay. Anyway, they are not getting.
कौन सी मूवी?
It is a musical drama about Memphis Pimp and drug dealer.
It's a sport.
It's a rap game.
Okay. Okay. Anyway. Please read out your names. Yes.
Read.
No. अरे पढ़. ठीक है.
हाँ मेरे को भी.
Yeah. So I wrote Sultan,
All right.
Mary Kom, Chak De India, The Goal, चैन को लिखी मैन को लिखी
All right. That's a good shout.
and दंगल.
Come on. All right. So they have opened their account with 1 point. Come on.
Yes.
So now the score is Team Bombil with 1 point and Team Tamanche with 2 points.
Still leading.
Hey,
All
competition
right.
दूर.
So let's go with the last category of this round, which is 3+ movie club. The player playing for this round is Pranav and Akshay, and bidding for this round is Neeraj and Shaq from the respected teams. जो भी I don't respective teams.
Trusted team.
So, 3+ movie clubs. In this question, I'll accept any movie franchises which has more than 3 movies or 3 movies in their catalog. So, are you guys ready? Let's start the bidding with Neeraj. How much do you think Pranav can tell? 3.
I'll say 3.
Okay, 3. Okay. Shaq, how much do you want to bid? 4. Okay. Neeraj, if you want to equalize, you have to win this round, and I'll suggest you to bid more.
We will win this round.
Okay.
मैं कुछ बोल सकता हूँ क्या?
मेरे को बोल सकते हैं.
तेरे को बोल सकता हूँ.
हाँ.
शैक बोल दे थोड़ा सा.
हट साले. हट नहीं.
मैं वैसे भी बोलने ही वाला था.
ठीक है. I won't count it.
I'll say
अब फिर से ऐसा होगा तो I'll penalize.
I'll say 5.
You'll say 5. All right. Shaq.
I'll say 7.
7.
8.
Shaq. Do you want to give them a chance to win, or do you think they cannot say?
I will bid
Yes.
10.
10. Oh, nice. Double digits. First time. First time. So,
I'll stick with 8.
all right. Do you think Akshay cannot say more than 10 names?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe not.
You don't trust Akshay that much then. Good, because he's not from your team.
I say
So, let's start the game. And your timer starts now. Come on. There are also some anime trilogies.
कैसा होस्ट है वो हिंट्स दे रहे हैं.
Of course, and the hints are for everyone.
चुप रहो.
Okay, the time is elapsed.
No.
No, you cannot write anymore.
नहीं मैं लिख दिया था.
ठीक है. Drop your pens. Let's see how many names you have
8.
written. 8 names. Please read them out.
Lord of the Rings.
All right.
Doom. Mission
Okay.
Impossible.
Nice.
Harry Potter.
Nice.
Golmaal.
All right. All right. That's it.
भाई अच्छी फिल्म है.
All right.
Fast and Furious.
All right.
Hangover.
Nice. Let's see the board. 8 में
क्या?
नहीं लिखा है कुछ भी.
हाँ क्योंकि उसने रुकने बोला ना तो मैं चालू कर दिया था. तो मैंने बोला है लिखा नहीं है.
Okay.
मैंने चालू कर दिया था उसने रोका मेरे को.
Actually,
शायद ने भी आधा में लिखा
अगर
तो वो
चालू किया,
accept कर
I'll
दिया.
accept it. Okay, because this similar thing happened.
नहीं,
last
उसने
time.
सिर्फ एक लेटर लिखा.
हाँ, लेकिन चालू कर दिया था. I will consider it.
ठीक,
Okay.
ठीक.
Okay.
That's how it feels, okay? That's how it feels.
All right, guys. All right. So let's see. Akshay, let's read them out.
So
Your bid was
10.
10. Sorry. Yeah, your bid was 10.
10 and I delivered.
Okay. Let's
Okay.
see. Let's see.
First movie Matrix,
All right. Trilogy.
Transformers, Golmaal, Raz 1, 2, 3,
All right.
Murder 1, 2, 3,
All right. Nice.
Harry Potter,
Nice.
Toy Story, Despicable Me, Iron Man, and Thor.
So the winner of this question was Akshay, and they will get 1 point because they did more and wrote all the answers. So,
हम लोग को नहीं मिलेगा अपन ने लिख दिया।
तमंचा वो
nahi, but you should have bidded more. No, I'm sorry. Let's reveal the points for the first round, which is 1 point for Team Bombil and 3 points for Team
काय हो गया
टोटल 1
and
and 3
three.
है
बॉम्बे
दो तो उनको ऐसे ही मिला था चीटिंग करके।
वो चीटिंग वाले थे तो
अरे कम ऑन सावर
हमारा 2
लूजर्स
पॉइंट कैंसिल हुआ है
सावर लूजर्स
all right.
लेट्स गो
Let's start with the second category, and the name is. ये कौन सा मूवी है?
ये
कौन सा
ये कौन सा मूवी है?
वो है,
वो
वो
Okay.
है ना
वो नहीं
अच्छा वो नहीं ठीक है नहीं
Okay,
नहीं,
guys.
वो वाला।
अरे ठीक है. ओवर एक्टिंग का पैसे काटूंगा मैं इधर.
अच्छा ठीक है, वो वाला।
अच्छा
ओ
The team which will give the answer with only 3 cast members on the screen will receive 2 points, and the team which will give the name of the movie after I reveal 5 cast members, they will receive 1 point. Otherwise, they will receive 0 points. ठीक है. Let's concentrate for the first question of this round, which is yes.
अरे
Come on.
फाइट क्लब
Yes, that's the right answer. Come on.
बचा दिया।
Fight Club is the right answer.
मेरे दिमाग में ओ माय
they get
फ्रेंड
2
गणेश
points.
आने लग गया था पता नहीं क्यों
So they get 2 points.
लाइव एक्शन भी है वो।
ठीक है? Okay. Let's go for the second round. And the first clue for the second question is. All right.
आता है क्या
All right. Let's see. Okay. Guess something.
मतलब मेरे को तो
Okay. I have to count down now. I have to count down now. 5, 4,
नहीं
3, 2, 1. Okay.
ब्रिजर्टन
Okay, that's the wrong answer.
Free.
Let's go with Team Tamanche. What do you think the movie is? Okay. That's the right answer. Come on.
हमको टीवी के इशारे में भी एक ही मूवी पता है
Come on.
ठीक है
Yes. Dune is the right answer. Okay.
कोई बात नहीं
Let's go with the next clue. Which Bollywood movie is this? Akshay was the first one to buzz in.
एक सेकंड वो स्लो मोशन वाला कौन कर रहा है
नहीं, I saw it.
नहीं आई चैलेंज दिस
मुझे
अगर
मुझे ऐसा
एडिट में
उसने
मैं
बजाया।
एडिट में अगर मैं पकड़ा
मुझे लगता है उसने बजाया
तो मुझे
Okay.
पॉइंट्स चाहिए
Okay.
ठीक है I'll give them
Okay. All right.
मूवी कौन सी है
ठीक है.
सोच रहा हूँ।
Anyway. Yeah.
ओम शांति ओम
That's the wrong answer.
अरे नहीं ये बोलने वाला
So,
था मैं।
let's see what Team
have to
Tamanche has to say.
okay happy new year
That is the wrong answer. Do you know who these guys are?
Yes.
Can you name them?
दीपिका पादुकोण
Yes.
शाहरुख
और इसका
खान
एक item number
and
है तो
एक मिनट उसका नाम मेरे को
हाँ
Ashutosh
आशुतोष
राणा।
Rana is the right answer. No points given for that one, but just remember these things. So the next clue will help you. The next two
मेरे को गाने का
are
नाम भी याद नहीं आ रहा लेकिन
these two. Okay, Akshay. This time Akshay was the first one. So, Akshay, what do you think?
जॉन इब्राहिम और शाहरुख खान
Yes.
मूवी का
oh
Okay.
Oh.
अरे
जवान
That's the wrong answer.
Oh, अरे नहीं,
Same
नहीं।
year though, same year. Okay, you are frozen out, so I'll give the chance to Pranav and Neeraj.
सब मेरे को पता
Team
है
Bombil.
अरे
Pathan is the
यार,
right answer. Come on.
shit, मैं दोनों में
They
confuse
get
हो
1
गया।
point.
गुड वन
So,
दोनों में confuse हो गया।
So-
बेशरम रंग कहाँ देख
all right. That's a good pull. So, they get 1 point.
एक्चुअली नीरज ने हेल्प किया आइटम सॉन्ग बोला तो मेरे को याद आ गया
Good one.
आइटम सॉन्ग तो
Yes.
नहीं
ठीक है. So, guys, be ready. The next one is a Hollywood movie. So, okay, Pranav, do you want to go ahead?
वुल्फ ऑफ वॉल स्ट्रीट
That's the wrong answer. No, you cannot anymore. You
ठीक है।
guys are frozen.
तेरे को पता है ना
हाँ पता है
उनके बाद हम लोग को चांस मिलेगा ना
Yes.
बिफोर नेक्स्ट क्लू
Yeah, I can give you that.
चल
Yeah.
बताया ना देखो
अगर हम लोग ने
पता है
गलत
पता
बोला
है
हाँ
हाँ. So I'll give you 5 more seconds. 5,
4
तो
4.
Gatsby
That's the wrong answer. Okay. Wait. So Neeraj, you have a chance to steal. What do you think?
इंसेप्शन
That's the right answer. Come on. Come on, Inception is the right answer and they get
ये
2
लेकिन
points.
उस टाइम का
They get
फोटो
2
डालना
points.
चाहिए था.
नहीं क्यों
नहीं, I'm sorry.
Come on.
ठीक है.
So, next one is I think it's a very easy one. The next Bollywood movie is Akshay was the first one.
वापस मैं चैलेंज करूंगा
Slow motion वाला कुछ काम का नहीं है.
स्ट्रेटेजी है वो फोटो
वापस
आगे
मैं
का
challenge
बना।
करूंगा।
पर है उन लोग नहीं बजाया पहले.
Alright, Pranav, go ahead. Don't I'll
टाइमर किधर गया? टाइमर नहीं गया ना.
what timer?
ये लोग
है ना
है ना टाइमर.
तुम्हारा तुम लोग का चांस है भाई. You are telling the
टाइमर चालू कर लो ना.
हाँ कर रहा हूँ ना इतना जल्दी नहीं.
हाँ डेवडी
हाँ वही रहेगा.
Okay, that's the wrong answer. Come on.
लेकिन उसमें उनको पता नहीं है.
Come on, that's that is. Come on, give me the name. Come on, that's the right answer. Yes,
Another
guys.
reason to hate this film.
2 points for Team Tamanche. And with that,
इधर भी इस लोग ने मूवी का
the
नाम
round
लिया लेकिन.
is over.
एक सेकंड तुम लोग ने मूवी का नाम क्या बोला था?
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा बोला
एडिट
था.
में देख लेंगे.
No, but I'll accept it. Close it.
उसने
हाँ वो
निकाला
तो वही रहे कब से. अपन भी जानबूझ के कुछ तो ऐसा फक अप करते हैं.
So let's go to our third empire and see how many points all the teams have accumulated.
So, ये कौन सा मूवी है कि कैटेगरी के विनर्स है टीम बोम्बिल.
Come on.
बोम्बे.
After all this complaining.
And
You're still leading. Okay.
टीम तमंचे with 3 points.
All right.
Not far behind.
All right. And what are the overall scores, please?
Tiebreakers.
The fun is
Okay.
both of the team scored 6 points overall.
Okay.
Tiebreaker.
It's a tie. It's a tie. So let's go to our tie-breaking third category, which is Antakshari with AI. So in this category,
कर.
in the third tie-breaking category, Antakshari with AI. So I'll tell Siri to give a random letter from the English alphabets, and the teams have to sing a song relating to that alphabet. I'll take the song starting with the same alphabet or the same song's name starting with the same alphabet. So there is this leeway. So let's start the game.
Buzzer? No buzzer.
Yes, buzzer.
Buzzer na?
Yes, buzzer.
Siri will tell you.
हाँ सीधा गाने चालू करूंगा तो अच्छा नहीं रहेगा.
हाँ buzzer दबा के फिर. So let's
Let's go.
start. Hey Siri, give me a random letter, please. And the random letter is H. Akshay was the first one to buzzer. So let's hear a song starting with H.
तू आ रहा है या मैं गा?
तेरे को आता है?
तेरे को भी आता है.
ये
Let's
टाइम
go,
वेस्ट
let's go.
है. बजर का मतलब नहीं है.
5.
हाय रे हाय.
हाय.
नींद नहीं आए.
हाय.
चैन नहीं आए.
हाय.
दिल में तू समाए.
आया प्यार भरा मौसम सुहाना दीवाना.
Come on.
Very good, very good.
1 point to Team Tamancha. Come on. You had a nice performance. And let's go with the second letter randomly generated by Siri. Hey Siri. Give me a random letter, please. Give me.
Give me some.
Siri, you stupid. Siri, give me a random number, please.
Number.
1
Hey Siri. Give me a random number, please.
Alphabet.
Number nahi letter.
1 2 3 4 5.
Hey Siri. Generate a random letter, please. Hey Siri. Give me a random alphabet, please. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Give me a random letter. The random letter is V. Pranav is the first one.
Hey,
Hey.
guys.
Yes, it was Pranav.
Guys, third umpire, please.
Third umpire.
थर्ड अंपायर चेक करते हैं.
ठीक है.
अक्षय.
Okay, so third umpire has decided. Akshay, what are you going to sing with the letter V?
वो अजनबी
ए वो W है देख W है
अरे भाई वो
सेम साउंडिंग है ना भाई।
साउंड पे करेंगे ना इंग्लिश
लेटर अल्फाबेट
Wait.
दो चांस हो गया
अल्फाबेट
हाँ,
WOV.
हिंदी में हिंदी गाना है वो
V O
W
भी
से
लिखता है और
लिखता है।
W O भी लिखता
नहीं अगर टाइटल ढूंढोगे तो W से चालू होता है
I will consult Third Empire, whatever the Third Empire says. What do you think, Third Empire?
ऑफिशियल टाइटल W से चालू होता है
एक minute.
We can give another chance.
Okay. Again, void.
जीत नहीं सकता तो क्या वर्ड
Give me another letter, please, Siri. And the letter is D. Akshay was the first, so D.
दिल दे दिया है जान तुम्हें देंगे दगा नहीं
क्या बात
करेंगे
है?
सनम
Heartfelt.
ओ रब दी कसम यारा
रब दी कसम।
ठीक है. Nice one. Give him the point.
क्या ही मिलेगा ऐसे जीत के तुम लोग को
So, दो हो गया.
Yes.
लो
Give me a letter. And the letter is L. Action first.
आने देना मजा आ रहा है
I'm telling you there is a forfeit and you might not like it.
तो गाना है ऐसे
So L. Yeah.
गाने
बहुत सारे गाने
बहुत है।
लाल दुपट्टा उड़ गया रे तेरे हवा के झोंके से मुझको पिया ने देख लिया आए रे धोखे से मान के मुझे दिल लेगा वो मगर मेरी जान लेगा वो
Nice.
इतना फ्लैट तो फ्लैट अर्थर्स भी नहीं.
कम ऑन इससे पहले के दो गाने नहीं सुने क्या
ठीक है. The fourth letter is
ये वो लोग फोरफिट कर रहे हैं
हाँ
नहीं
नहीं ना ठीक है
हाँ
so the random letter is. You guys ready?
हाँ
M. Okay. Sorry.
मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है
वो जो
वो हमसे
कुछ उखड़ा उखड़ा रहता है
Come on. That was nice camaraderie from everyone else. So I'll give the point to Team Bombay.
Yeah.
Come on.
एक
So-
और देना है फिर हारेंगे
The last letter is. Give me a random letter. And the letter is.
सॉरी
And the letter is V. I think Akshay
Ah.
was the first one to buzz in. So Akshay, come on. V. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Team Bombay, do you want to sing something with starting with
Yes,
V?
we'll take our sweet 20 seconds as well.
Okay.
ए हमको 20 सेकंड
नहीं मिला था लेकिन ठीक
गिन लो
है. If they want to.
गिन लो
If they want to be so pretty. All right. I'll give you 1 minute. Let's see. Okay. I won't really give you 1 minute.
मुझे बहुत ही एक्सप्लिसिट गाने पता है
हो गया टाइम चला गया
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. Okay.
Okay.
I'll give you another letter then.
okay
Okay. So the next random letter is S. Okay, Pranav.
यस
I object
देख
I object
थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग एक साथ है.
एक साथ ही है.
दूसरा
Okay,
letter.
let's do a rock paper scissors otherwise.
नहीं
नहीं
Okay,
नहीं
okay,
नहीं,
okay.
नहीं.
I'll give you another
रॉक
letter.
पेपर सीजर वीजर नहीं भाई
ठीक है. I'll give you a random letter, and the last letter for this round is.
मुझे लगा उसने बोल दिया यार फिर से
So start again.
yes please sorry
फास्टेस्ट फिंगर्स फर्स्ट
So the first letter, the last letter of this category is A. Akshay. Akshay was the first one. Yeah. So Akshay, letter A.
तो साउंड से नहीं कर सकते वो लेटर
It has to be a word
ठीक है
ठीक है
A. 5.
ए वतन तुझको तेरी कसम
You have to sing at least 2 lines.
हाँ?
At least 2 lines.
जहाँ भी लुटा जाएंगे
क्या फिर से
ए वतन हमको तेरी कसम तेरे कदमों में जहाँ भी लुटा जाएंगे
Okay, I'll accept it. So they get another point for this round.
अच्छा खेले ना लेकिन
प्यार है तेरा
अच्छा तुम्हें खाने तेरे को पता था तो बोल रहा
अरे मेरे को तो लगा तेरे कॉन्फिडेंस है फुल
All right.
2 सेकंड
All
बाद
right.
कोई
All right,
मेरी
guys.
जिंदगी में
All right, guys. Let's go to our third empire and see what are the points for this round and the whole categories.
So for this round,
Yes.
Bombil has scored.
Team Bombil.
Team Bombil has scored 1 point,
एक नंबर
and Team Tamanche has scored
एक Bombil.
4 points.
Come on.
gang
And overall,
And that makes a total of 10 points for Team Tamanche
come on.
अब एक ही राउंड बचा ना
and 7 points for Team Bombil.
okay not far
Close enough.
So the third category was won by the team Tamanche and lost by the team Bombil. So they have to do a forfeit at the end of the game.
4 feet
Yes.
बोला तेरे को
Come on.
नीरज
I want to repeat the same
Okay,
joke.
guys. Happens.
रुको
So-
मैं 4 फीट का जाता
But
नीचे से खेलना है
बैठ जा
so, but for our last and final round, we will have one teammate against another. The teammate of Tamanche, Shaq, will play against his own teammate, Akshay, to win this beautiful trophy. Wow. Come on.
हम लोग
अपना अपन चिल मार
तुम लोग का चिल्ला अभी ठीक है हो गया डन है ना ठीक है चलो
हाँ अभी चिढ़ाने का है लोग को
So guys, welcome to the final and ultimate category of this season of Trivia Nights by the Final Cut Bro. In this one, playing with us are the teammates, one against another. Mr. Shakunendra Singhal, come on, big round of applause. Will play against his own teammate for this episode of Trivia Nights, Mr. Akshay Kimoti. Come on, round of applause for Akshay and Shaq. The teammates will play against one another for the last category of this season of Trivia Nights, which is the super fast, gigantic trivia show. In this round, I will ask 20 questions and they have to answer these questions in a rapid fire manner. So be quick with your hands, no touching the buzzer before the question is finished, and hopefully the third umpire can keep up with the pace. Are you ready, third umpire?
Yes.
Yes, let's go. That's the nice spirit. So the first question is, which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Okay.
अरे यार
Thank you. Okay. Shaq, buzzer please. दबा और बता भाई आंसर. It is supposed to be a rapid fire round.
दवा
ठीक है, दबा. And the answer is
A few moments later.
शिट मेरे को straight
5,
खाना हमारा
4, 3, 2, 1.
Is it Bangalore?
Yes, that's the right answer. Come on. Let's do it rapid fire style. So, be ready for the second question, which is, who directed the 2022 film RRR? Akshay.
Oh, SS Rajamouli.
That's the right answer. Come on.
Answer.
So
Yes.
let's go for the third question, which is what is the currency of South Korea? Yes, Akshay.
Oh,
5, 4, 3, 2,
Dong Ding.
1. And that's the wrong answer also. Let's go with Shaq.
South Korean dollar.
That is the wrong answer. I think both.
Yen.
That is also the wrong answer. The Korean won, WON won.
Oh yes, not yen.
Yen is the Chinese.
Japanese.
Yes, Japanese, sorry. So nobody gets the point. So let's go for the fourth question, which is which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Akshay beats the buzzer again. Okay, Akshay, who is the emperor?
पूरा नाम बोलना पड़ेगा क्या?
Yes.
अकबर ही पता है मुझे.
Akbar is
अरे
the wrong answer.
Oh shit. अरे नहीं
You're
नहीं.
frozen.
Jahangir.
That is also the wrong answer.
शाहजहां.
Shah Jahan is the right answer. Come on.
अरे जहांगीर बोल रहा है.
शाहजहां.
ठीक है, अकबर भी गलत ही था.
Chaos ensued here. ठीक है.
Cool.
Which planet has the most moons in our solar system? Akshay was the first one.
ओ मेरे को दो है आ रहा है दिमाग में.
Okay, give me one.
I'm confused between two. Jupiter.
That's the wrong answer.
Saturn.
That is
Yes.
the right answer.
यार no,
Come
दोनों
on.
में confused था.
Come on.
Oh shit.
So the next question is, who was the first person to walk on moon? Akshay again
Okay.
beating the buzzer.
This can be controversial because there are many opinions, but popular is Neil Armstrong.
That is the right answer.
Why
And that is the only answer. Why is it not
Yeah.
controversial?
I've read.
I am not going to accept any red pill answers here.
I've read Scientology, guys.
So let's go with the next question, which is the seventh one. In which country did the Olympics game start? Akshay beating the buzzer again. Yes, Akshay.
So I'm still confused between two.
You
countries.
should not be, but okay.
Is
It's
it
very easy. 5, 4.
Greece?
That is the right answer. Come on. Athens, Greece was the first place the Olympic Games were held. So let's go for the eighth question, which is what is the largest desert in the world?
मेरे
I think it is.
इसका हाथ पहले लगा.
दोनों का साथ में लगा.
I'll give it to him.
Okay.
I'll give it to him.
Let's see. What is the largest desert in the world?
Sahara.
That is the wrong answer. Desert does not mean has to be.
Can I?
No.
Can I?
Sorry,
Can
you're
I?
frozen for this round. So
Antarctica.
that is the
Yes.
right answer. Come on. I think my clue helped.
Yes.
Yes.
But that's fine. So guys, the ninth question is which Bollywood actor is known as Big B? Akshay again beating for the buzzer. Akshay again beating the buzzer. Yes, Akshay.
तेरी 7 करोड़ अमिताभ बच्चन.
That is the right answer. Come on. Okay, guys. So, 10th, the next question is what is the boiling point of water at sea level?
At sea
Akshay
level क्यों
again.
बोला?
Akshay again beating the buzzer. Yes, Akshay. What
100
is that?
degrees Celsius?
That is the right answer. Sea level means just the average.
Okay.
Yeah. Every calculation is done on the
Okay.
sea level. So let's go for the 11th. पढ़ लिख लेते तो अभी.
अरे अच्छा.
कमेंट्स में आप बताइए.
ठीक है. So the 11th question is who wrote the Indian national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. Okay, Akshay again beating the buzzer. You have to be fast, bro. Okay, so
Is it Rabindranath Tagore?
that is the right answer. Come on. The great Tagore. Okay, the 12th question is which country is the largest exporter of tea? Again, Akshay beating the buzzer. Okay, Akshay.
I'll only guess. Is it India?
That is the wrong answer, Shaq. Yeah.
Seriously?
Yes, 5,
China?
4. Yes, that's the right answer. Come on. Obviously, China and tea is very synonymous,
Yeah,
and
yeah, but
okay.
we got tea from
I
China.
thought
Yes.
So,
RT is better though.
yes, against tea supremacy. The 13th question is, what is the name of the galaxy we live in?
मजा में नहीं था.
ठीक है. Akshay
उसका
again
scientific
beating.
name चाहिए.
There is only one name.
Milky Way.
That is the right answer. Come on. So let's go for the 14th question, which is, which Hollywood actress played Barbie in the movie which came in 2023? Again, Shaq, try please.
I'm trying.
Be faster.
मतलब वो अलग ही लेवल का बंदा था.
My hands are longer.
Okay.
Margot Robbie.
That's the right answer. Come on. Okay. So the next question, the 15th question is.
Hey.
So the 15th question is very easy. How many colors are there in the rainbow? Akshay again
वो मैं भूल गया.
hitting the buzzer.
मैं सच में भूल गया.
क्या?
मैं सच में भूल गया. 7.
4. That's the right answer. Come on. Come on.
मैं सच में भूल गया.
Pressure gives you a lot of answers.
Okay. मैं 9 बोलने वाला था for some reason.
Black and white.
Our,
Divide कर रहा था.
our schooling system has failed us.
मेरे को
very,
रेडियो स्पेक्ट्रम
very
दिखता है
badly.
guys.
Guys, concentrate. The 16th question. Which mountain range separates the Europe and the Asias?
क्या?
Yes, it's a very hard question. A oddball one in this round. So, which is the mountain range that separates Europe from Asia?
I'll just guess Alps.
That is the wrong answer. Alps is in pretty middle of Europe. I think nobody here will know. So, the answer was the Ural mountain range.
Oh, didn't know. Didn't know.
The 17th question. Who was the first Indian to go to the space? Again beating the buzzer.
वो ऐसे
Five.
बजा है.
कल्पना
ऐसे
चावला.
बजा है.
That's the wrong answer. Come
Oh
on.
नहीं, कल्पना चावला गई थी ना. क्यों?
First Indian woman to go to the space, but not the
हाँ,
first
not the
first
moon.
one to
First
go.
Indian.
First Indian to go to the space. Very easy. Come on.
मेरे को पता है यार.
5th class GK,
5th class में
Fifth
जीके
class
था.
में.
general knowledge.
5th class में.
Guys, come on. In Guy Sarma ji ka beta, I give you a lot of hints. Yes.
राजेंद्र शर्मा.
Oh my.
मेरे को एक ही नाम याद आ रहा है फेमस.
Almost there. So I will not give any points in this round, and you should be ashamed yourself. It is Rakesh Sharma. Come on.
Oh
Come on, it is
shit.
Rakesh Sharma. Sarma ji ka beta must be very disappointed in you guys. The next question, which is the 18th question, is what is the square root of 144? What is the square root of 144? It's very easy actually.
12.
That is the right answer. Come on.
ये कैसे पता था तुझे?
मैथ्स थोड़ा अच्छा है.
अरे यार.
Okay. So, 19th question, which is, which Indian state has the longest coastline? Akshay again beating the buzzer.
Oh, okay. I just buzzed it.
5, 4, 3.
Tamil Nadu.
That's the wrong answer. Come on, Shaq. Think about geography. Think about crevices. 5.
अंडमान निकोबार.
That's the wrong answer. I'll give one more chance. I'll give you a hint.
Hint.
Hint is,
Hint के बाद buzzer.
yeah. Hint के बाद buzzer. Be ready. It's in the west coast of India.
Maharashtra.
That's the wrong answer.
गुजरात.
That is the right answer. Come on, think of the geography. It has a lot of coastline.
Okay,
because-
okay.
Okay. And the last question of this season of Final Cut Bros is who is the author of the Harry Potter books? Akshay again beating.
Come on, guys, give it to me.
Akshay again beating the buzzer.
J.K. Rowling.
That is the right answer. Come on.
Rolling.
I don't like her though.
Nice.
All right, that was a good game. I'm pretty sure who won here, but
Obvious.
okay. Let's go to our third umpire to see our scores.
तो
Yeah.
आज के ये मुकाबले के विजेता है अक्षय with 30
Come on.
and the runner-up is Shaq with 2 points.
तीन आंसर नहीं दिए थे हमने.
हाँ 3-0.
ठीक है.
ठीक.
So, unlike his favorite team, Akshay has won the the Trivia Night series in whole. So, guys, as the winner is getting his rewards, we say goodbye to you and see you in the next season of Trivia Nights by the Final Cut Bros. Come on.
Like, share, subscribe, and tick the bell icon.
चलो.
Chalo.
Let's go.
चलो भाई चलो.
चलो चलो
चलो भाई.
चलो चलो
ठीक है भाई.
चलो.
Pranav.
I'm sorry.
Good morning.
Happy forfeit.
Neeraj, are you ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Are you ready
Thank you.
to make Neeraj wet?
Yes.
Wet.
Neeraj, no screaming, please. 1, 3, 2, 1.
Hey Neeraj.